All, thanks a lot for having me here, and it's a great opportunity for everyone to talk and to listen about metaverse, data analytics, and how currently businesses are approaching it. Let me talk a bit about myself. This is Dr. Aditi Gupta. I have done masters and business analytics from Victoria University, Australia. It's a MBA. Then I have done masters and doctorate in analytics itself from Swiss School of Business Management, Geneva, Switzerland. Basically, I knew that I am not very good with coding, programming, working a lot with computers and all. So I have decided to do something where I can be in a managerial roles and work with analytics as well. So here I played with strength. I strongly believe that if I can do, definitely you can as well. So I am a founder of TechTip24 and we are dealing with the data and business analysis education. And just think about it, as of now, I am teaching everything online. What if I want to teach to the US students, UK students, and the students which are very far away from Jaipur, and I want to teach them from Jaipur itself and want to give them the experience which is relatable to the offline experiences as well. So what I'll do is I will create a metaverse platform where my students can feel like from their home itself that they are in a proper classroom and have an experience of a data analytics education. Right now that everything is online and everything is through Zooms and all, but now if trainers or if now training institutes, anyone wants to enhance their education capabilities, they can use for sure metaverse. Let me tell you basically what metaverse is, because here I am going to explain you what actually metaverse is, what is the use case. Not only this, how Amazon, Google, Tesla companies are leveraging this technology which is metaverse. So metaverse is a combination of two main words, which is a virtual reality and augmented reality. Metaverse is a virtual space where as a human we are dealing with the augmented reality. Metaverse is a place where augmented reality comes into picture. In metaverse, if you enter, you interact with a lot of 3D models, 2D models, images, and you interact with artificial intelligence and how everything created these 3D models, 2D models through augmented reality. Do you know recently iPhone 17 launched? Yes, right. So see, if the iPhone 17 is launched, we saw a lot of good, pixels, and we saw a very good quality of products and how the iPhone 17 looks like. So they design their products and they show them in front of the world through the augmented reality itself. They design their products in the augmented reality. So Apple is a very good use case of the metaverse and of course the augmented reality as well. When it comes to data analytics, you can't imagine any organization can work without analyzing their data in a better way. When it comes to data analytics, you got a lot of insights from the data so that a company CEO can take a very good strategic, managerial, organizational decisions for the company to generate revenue. If we combine together metaverse and data analytics provide insights. When it comes to metaverse, it provides experiences. And if we combine together, it's an innovation. So now every company are trying to build this innovation in their own organization. If we talk about not every company, not like startups or a small medium enterprises, because it's highly costly for the medium level companies. So if we talk about Amazon, we all shop on Amazon, right? You all shop on Amazon? Right, okay. Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra. So Amazon we are talking about because it's a big organization. They have their own databases, Amazon Web Services, and a lot more. It's a full chain of Amazon. So if we want to buy something, we open an application and we check out. When it comes to Tesla now, they don't need drivers. They are going to run automatically. They have their own inbuilt AI applications. They have their own, virtual spaces. So Tesla is a very, very good use case of the AI, of the data as well, because they are heavily using data for a better customer experiences. Let's talk about one more example, which is Google. Just let me know, have you guys seen a lot of ads on the Google? And you have not searched for it, but you are seeing the ads in a Google and maybe you are interested in it. Let's say you search on a Google like I want to buy a treadmill, and tomorrow morning you are watching a ad which is coming in your feed of the treadmill itself. Just say that, have you experienced it, yes or no? Yes. Yeah, that's what I am saying, guys, that this is something which everything is trackable, and that's how data works. Whatever you search on Google, whatever you want to buy, whatever you want to shop online, everything will come automatically in your feed, because each and every search of yours, each and every click of yours in the Google is trackable. So make sure that you all search wisely. Okay, technology. As of now, Metaverse is the newest technology that you can go for, and you can have a first mover advantage for sure. So make sure that you go with the Metaverse technology. Maybe you have this doubt as well that, Aditi, we are a management students, we are not good with coding or programming. Can we go with the Metaverse? Do you have this question? Yes. Okay, good. So if you have this particular question, then let me tell you one thing. Nowadays, if we want to develop a websites, if we want to develop the applications, it's a web app or anything, now we have a lot of drag and drop tools. Okay, we have AI now, which is going to make our work easier. Let's say if I want to develop my own application, my own website, I'll not hire a web developers or something. I'll hire a AI expert who can done with this using AI, and I want my work to be in a better, smarter, and a fastest way possible, right? And through coding and programming, it's something which is delayed. If I want to work like a fastest way possible, that's why for the Metaverse as well, we have a whole platform using which you can create a Metaverse solutions. And for that, you need a bit technical knowledge, but you don't need to dig into coding and programming. Clear? So make sure that you focus and you learn about this technology. Have an open mindset. This is very important. Don't just create any false scenario in your mind that I can do this or I not. At least try. And if you can make it, and if you can able to learn it, that will make or break your career for sure, and you will be successful. Now I want to end my talk with a very, very important point, which is like, I love this quote. When AI comes into picture, everyone will like AI will gonna steal all the jobs. And the quote is, AI will not replace humans, but the people, those who are not using AI, will be replaceable for sure, those who are using AI.